Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Wi-Fi settings on Windows 11 with export tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Wi-Fi settings on Windows 11, you can use built-in export tools effectively. First, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon on your taskbar. Type Command Prompt in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt from the list and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, netwlan export prof. Press Enter to execute the command. This will create a folder named Wi-Fi Backup on your C drive. Inside this folder, you will find XML files for each Wi-Fi network you've connected to. Now, to transfer these settings to another Windows 11 device, copy the XML files to a portable storage device. On the target computer, connect the portable storage device and locate the XML files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator on the target computer, just like before. To import the Wi-Fi settings, type the command, netwlan add profile filename equals c, /path / your /file.xml. Make sure to replace c:\path / your /file.xml single quote with the actual path to the XML file you want to import. Press Enter to import the Wi-Fi settings. Repeat the import step for each Wi-Fi XML file you have. Once all profiles are imported, close the command prompt. You should now be able to connect to the transferred Wi-Fi networks without having to enter the settings manually. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.